kasi doon. Masarap din daw.
Take inside mo lang. Dito na.
Oo. Guys, so kita ikan gurame na isto dami sa akin ito naman. You will stay here for a while, or you will go back already in Dubai? No, I will stay here, but I will bring my stuff all here.
So your stuff is in Dubai.
Yeah. Only I like this ramen, Daigon.
No.
Okay.
Better na.
This ramen is very nice. Ramen.
Lagi tayong gusto na favorite ko dito. Kasi hinaalat ko.
Where you living in Dubai?
Pariga, right?
No, Burjuman.
No, Burjuman?
Burjuman is no, from there I can get Palu.
Oh, yes. Ayan ang favorite ko. Oo, sige. Ano yan siya? Ano? Sige.
Hala ko marker. I'll get marker for the map.
Let's get together. Tignan natin yung kamay. Hindi, kamay mo. Dahil, okay lang. Tap na.
Sulat na lang dito. How we can see this food?
I have so many plum. No. Baby, connect it. Good. After 5 minutes. So where is Raymond? Raymond is still there?
Yeah, he is still there. Now, yeah, only Raymond. Guys, we brought just
And
the
the rest?
Rest new and Bikram.
Huh?
And there is Bikram.
Oh. And then who else?
And from bar there is Monos. Bambola is in.
I heard so many staff they terminate, right?
Yeah. They transfer another branch now. Because before Izakaya there is Servicers, so there is different. But now all branch same because there is no Servicers.
Very bad, right? And they are taking the money, right?
If they have one day 30,000 sales, they have like 15,000 or 10,000 service charge extra. Ginger lemonade.
They are very bad.
Now how many months you work in Saddle? How many months you are? Oh. After 6 months you will resign.
No, babe, I'm going to Australia, babe.
Oh really?
Why you did not decide to go to Saddle? Ate, staff you.
Who?
Why you did not go to Saddle?
Saddle? No, I go interview but they didn't call me.
And what I told you, I told her that I hope so this one will be open. At least I will not.
how much they are giving?
4 or 5.
What about in your new kitchen? How much for husbands?
I know that
Maybe 8 plus.
Bakit naman ang sarap? Sabang live, pero sa Pilipino, kabayan yan. 6 to 6 yan. Kaya galing naman guys at na makakapit ko sa iyo.
Now almost full. Now this is also there is same like this Western beef or
See? Now it's coming clear. Get together, guys. When it's clear, we're gonna take picture everyone.
that's nice.
Kulang siya. Gusto ko nakita mo.
Sis pa rin.
Parang tayo lang.
Yes, madam. How are you? Yes, madam.
Uy,
Alam mo kaya lang po yung mga isa dito ng travel card ay ng ano ng life kasi mabait nila ba? Sa ano sila dahil? Tapos sa boy sila dahil. Dahil dati, ang ano namin, ang manager din ng Izikaya, Colombian. Sobrang maganda siya mamay. So, nag-resign kasi siya dahil. Pinagbintangan kasi siya dahil na parang nag-ano siya, naglalabas siya ng mga awa.
I think.
TikTok?
Hmm?
Are we following TikTok eh?
No, only 4, 5.
Are we following TikTok?
Hmm. Maybe I give you her back or not?
You messaged me just recently, right?
I don't know. I forgot again.
Dahil naging masaya ka na. Kasi may step by step bibigyan siya ng data naman.